Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Science is all around us, full stop. Kitchens, kitchen gardens, lawns, etc. become a child's first laboratories, full stop. They are never tired of exploring them, full stop. The fact that children as young as 3 or 5 have a natural and uninhibited ability to observe scientific phenomena around them is not only supported by research but is also an observation we must all have made at one point or another, full stop. New paragraph. General science is a subject that the Punjab curriculum and textbook board introduces from grade 4, full stop. The Waqfiyat Ama books 1 to 3 do include some topics on science, but they seem to be deficient as the selection of topics is random, without any scheme, full stop. Also, they do very little to challenge young minds' natural curiosity, full stop. New paragraph. One wonders whether the authors of the general science textbooks have had any experience teaching in early childhood programs, full stop. Most chapters resemble all in one ads for a kitchen food factory, juicer, chopper, grinder and blender, full stop. It's extremely important to enable students to methodically create logical tracks in their minds, full stop, but they fail to do so, as the information they receive comes in a very unsystematic manner, akin to jumping from the first to the seventh rung of a ladder and then back to the third, full stop. New paragraph. There is no order to the topics, full stop. This will only lead to confusion and anarchy in the minds of young students who will fail to connect the dots due to the missing links, full stop. We cannot afford to choose topics by rolling dice, full stop. The shoulds in the Punjab curriculum and textbook board science books should go beyond the Newton in a dupatta syndrome, full stop. Take the example of life sciences in the single national curriculum to see how the bits of information given in the related chapters of general science 4 and 5 connect with each other and the prior knowledge gained in the Waqfiyat Ama books 1 to 3, full stop. New paragraph. In the first two chapters of book 4, the authors frantically jump from animals to plants, then back to animals and then to plants again, full stop. The single national curriculum stipulates that students should know how energy is transformed through living things in the form of food, full stop. The word energy, however, is mentioned just once in both books combined and has not been defined, full stop.